This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook red lentils. Red lentils are incredibly versatile and cook much faster than other lentil varieties, making them perfect for quick meals. You do not need to soak them beforehand, which saves a lot of time. Just give them a good rinse under cold water to remove any dust or debris before you start cooking. This simple step ensures your lentils are clean and ready for your recipe. Cooking red lentils is straightforward. For the best results, use a ratio of 1 part lentils to 2 parts liquid, such as water or vegetable broth. Bring your chosen liquid to a boil in a saucepan, then add the rinsed lentils. Reduce the heat to a gentle simmer, cover, and let them cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. They are ready when they are tender and have absorbed most of the liquid, becoming soft and creamy. Now, let's talk about flavoring your delicious red lentils. This is where you can truly make them your own. Consider adding aromatics like finely chopped garlic, onion, or ginger to the pot at the beginning for a deeper flavor base. Once cooked, season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your favorite herbs or spices. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice at the very end can brighten the entire dish beautifully, adding a zesty finish. Red lentils are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in many ways. They are a fantastic addition to hearty soups, comforting stews, and flavorful curries, adding both texture and nutrition. You can also serve them as a simple, wholesome side dish alongside your main course. For a different twist, try pureeing them into a creamy dip or a spread for sandwiches. Their mild flavor makes them a perfect canvas for various culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.